It's day 4 of Laundry Basket Quilt's 2021 Mystery Quilt, and I am so relieved. We have a very, very simple block today. We're just going to make 16 half square triangles in 2 different colors. And today I made sure to triple check the cutting instructions so I don't overcut. I've never made half square triangles one at a time before, so this will be new to me, but I'm not about to question Edyta's methods. I'm going to cut all of these squares into triangles, and then I'll get sewing. There we go, done in less than half an hour, or maybe just a little bit more than half an hour. They're clean and crisp and bright and happy, and I'm very pleased to be done so early. I just need to trim off all these little nubbins, and I'm gonna be all done. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up or maybe a comment, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow.